Hello guys, and welcome to my channel Nathalie's World. Welcome to Maya Bay in Koh Phi Phi, Thailand 2022. Koh Phi Phi, from legendary beach movie with Leonardo DiCaprio, is open again for tourists to come and visit in 2022. As you can see, new wave of tourists is coming to the island to see Maya Bay, but not through the main way that they used to come, because now they are trying to preserve corals and coral fish. And it's why they constructed this way to go through the forest to see Maya Bay. So I'm going through the new way to show you the way through the forest, so stay tuned, let's go exploring. In 2018 itself, around 5,000 tourists per day visited Maya Bay, which highly impacted marine ecosystem. So, as a result, since June 2018, officials closed Maya Bay and started a program aimed at reviving corals. Today, you can only go through a pier set at the back of the island. Now, to see Maya Bay, you need to deserve it. A new set of rules includes no swimming, no sunscreen, no boats, no plastic, and no drones. A full walk to reach the bay takes you less than 10 minutes through a picturesque jungle. So we are about to enter Maya Bay in 2022, and I want to show you this legendary tourist spot of all times. Let's go. And then, finally, you see this. This drone footage was made before Maya Bay's closure. As you see, there were boats allowed, and the beach was packed with visitors like sardines in a can. And this is how Maya Bay looks today in February 2022, with no boats and just a few visitors. Look at this crystal white sand. Water is absolutely clean, and I have no doubt that even turtles come here to lay eggs again. All this ecosystem is restored after 2 years of being closed. A lifeguard is always on duty, and I personally witnessed how he whistled and ordered several people to stop swimming. Maya Bay right now can be observed with its full beauty. Looking at these photos from 4 years back, it is nearly impossible to imagine that Maya Bay may look so serene like today. And as you can see, there are no boats right now. It's totally forbidden to swim, and I think it's the better solution than totally closing Maya Bay. Still, people can come here and enjoy the beauty of the bay. They can snap even more beautiful shots of the limestone mountains here. Because there are no boats and not so many people, at the same time, the photos will be even more splendid. Now, Maya Bay in 2022 looks really amazing. Subscribe my channel for more interesting travel and wildlife videos. Where would you like to go this year? Drop me your comments. See you in my next video.